Welcome to the vlog. This is the second vlog this year. I should have been already on 4, but due to some illness on my teeth, I was out for an entire week. So, quick update. What will we have in the vlog? We got me changing the backdrop. How did I do it? How do I use this technique when actually doing new backdrops? We got 3 behind the scenes from a shoot. One was with plastic, a recent one from Sunday. The other one was behind the scenes from a shoot with a model, of course. So yeah, that's one, and then we have another one. So yeah, that will be in this little vlog. It will be short, but yeah, hey, let's get into it and let's start. Hey YouTube! So we're gonna change the backdrop. So the black part will be going. The idea is to go for like a concrete grayish look with lots of patterns, textures in them to use actually when we're shooting in the couch, to use it as a background. So as you can see now behind me, we got the couch which moved a lot to the front. Then we got the background which is totally black now without anything. Then on that side we also got, let me turn a bit, we got the toilet and those kind of things. So that wall will also be painted. So that's the idea now. I just removed all the screws, I sanded it a little bit. Yeah, that's part 1. Now I'm gonna go off to the store to pick up some paint and the necessary tools, and then I'll see you in the next little part. So yeah, you can see behind me we got some gray going on. First layer is done and it still looks a little bit funky. So yeah, the first layer is done. It's just concrete gray. And now tomorrow the idea is to make it some sort of misty effect. We will see what it gives. I'm gonna do a little time lapse while I'm actually doing it. It will probably be the same technique I'm using when I'm doing my own backdrops. So now we got a darker gray. Tomorrow we will be using a lighter gray and mix them together so we have some different colors, details going on, soften them or dilute them with water. We will see tomorrow how it goes. Now it has to dry for 6 hours, so this is the first layer, and then tomorrow we continue with the next one, because tomorrow it has to be finished because Sunday I'm shooting again. So this is like in between. So yeah, see you guys and girls tomorrow. That's it for now. Bye bye. Oh, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, and today it's painting day number 2. So behind me is a little bit overexposed because I'm in the dark part from the studio. So we're gonna paint that part, and now you can see it getting there. So that part, and then yeah, that's the whole idea. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse of the painting, and then we will see what it gets. In the end, the idea is concrete, so mystic look, kind of nuances in the colors and those things. So yeah, that's it for now. Ciao ciao. Hey, just finished painting. I totally forgot to record the actual painting. I was so busy painting all the things, I totally forgot it. So this is the new background. Still deciding if I prefer the black frame or the white frame. I personally prefer the black frame. So we're gonna see to put a little bit more light in the background. And yeah, that's the idea. Just finished painting, and yeah, now we still have to hang up some frames over there, some 2 mirrors, because there were 3 up front. And then in the back you can see some light going on. Still thinking about seeing for some extra light on that corner. But yeah, that's the whole idea. So yeah, a little short behind the scenes of how we changed the studio. Also, the table has been painted. It was an IKEA table. It's now painted in gray. So yeah, it was a busy day. You hear my phone going bling bling bling. So busy day, and now it's time to relax and have a shoot tomorrow on Sunday.